$250,000 for an SUV. Mate Blood Red Maybach GLS 600. Let's see if this is pure insanity or the ultimate flex. Axion Auto, start your engines. Yo, Axion Auto gang! 2024 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600. Fully loaded, custom widebody. Murdered out matte red. Base price $174K. This one, $250,300 before tax. That's Urus money. That's Cullinan money. That's straight flex money. 550 HP twin-turbo V8, 260 and 4x1, quad exhausts, 24-inch black wheels, and a champagne fridge in the back. Let's break it down. First look, this thing is angry. Full wide-body kit, fenders flared 80mm on each side, slammed on air suspension, 24-inch forged wheels tucked perfectly. Matte Vampire red wrap drinks like zero reflections, just velvet murder. Gorilla, blacked out Maybach slats with glowing star bigger than most TVs. Carbon fiber everywhere, splitter, side skirts, diffuser, mirror caps, roof spoiler. Quad exhaust tips actually work and sound nasty. Rear smoked taillights, subtle ducktail, Maybach script glowing. This isn't luxury. This is intimidation on wheels. Open the door. Pause for thud. That's money closing. Inside, black Napa leather with diamond quilting and red piping. Alcantara headliner. Red ambient lighting breathing. Front seats are nice, but the back seat is the real flex. 2 individual reclining captain chairs. 43 and recline hot stone massage. Heated cooled everything. Leg rests, fold-out carbon tables. Between them, refrigerated champagne fridge with crystal Maybach flutes. Dual 11.6-inch screens. Burmester 4D sound that vibrates the seats. Panoramic roof, electric privacy curtains. Power partition. This back seat makes Emirates first class look basic. 4.0-liter hand-built twin-turbo V8, 550 HP, 538 lb. Floor it, silent violence. World just disappears. E-active body control leans the car into corners like a motorcycle. Maybach mode turns it into a silent vault. Sip champagne at 100 MEP and don't spill a drop. Price, base $174K. Wide body plus wheels plus wrap, earn another $75K plus. Total $250,300. More than a Lambo Urus. More than a base Cullinan. Insane? 100%. Worth it? If you want the quietest, smoothest, most baller SUV in America, hell yes. Final verdict, pure insanity. And I'm in love. Comment right now, would you drop $250K on this beast? Like, if this is the king, subscribe Axion Auto for more crazy builds, turn on notifications. Merch in description. We out. Peace.